Welcome to the Visa Assistance Chatbot Demo. This intelligent chatbot is designed to simplify your visa process and make your international travel experience smooth, stress-free, and fully guided from start to finish. As soon as you launch the chatbot, you are greeted with a warm welcome message followed by the main menu with 3 key service options: apply for a new visa, check visa status, and talk to a visa consultant. These are standard industry options, but they can be fully customized based on your business requirements. When a user selects apply for a new visa, the bot begins by collecting essential information such as the type of visa, destination country, travel date, and intended visa duration. Once these details are provided, the chatbot moves to the document verification step. After the user agrees, the bot requests the necessary documents including the offer letter, passport size photo, and any additional documents depending on the visa category. Once all documents are uploaded, the chatbot shares complete information about the payment process and documentation requirements. Finally, if the user chooses the Pay at Office option, the bot responds with the office location, timings, and a final confirmation message, ensuring the user has everything needed to proceed confidently. This demo showcases how the Visa Assistance Chatbot streamlines the entire process with clarity, convenience, and efficiency. Now that we have explored the chatbot preview, let's look at how to install a template in ihakimi. From the dashboard, navigate to the template store. Here, you will find a wide range of multi-industry templates. Select the template you would like to install and you will be taken to the installation screen. On this page, you will see a short summary of the template and its basic content. Click Next Step to continue. In the next step, you can either choose an existing bot or create a new one. After selecting the bot, copy the template you want to install and click Create Bot. A new folder containing the installed template will automatically appear inside your selected or newly created bot. Now, let's step inside the Flow Builder. This is where our start node resides, the point from which every chatbot conversation begins. From here, we access the Welcome node and the main menu options, all of which can be customized based on your business needs. Each menu option opens its own individual flow. Within these flows, you can easily collect user information, manage your pipelines, and keep your flow organized. This structure makes it easy to create rich, interactive, and fully customizable chatbot experiences. And that completes our walkthrough of the Visa Assistance Chatbot template installation process and Flow Builder overview.